Welcome back to my channel, Engineer Mojo. Today I'm going to show you how to change an air filter for a GMC Acadia. Very simple process. As always, let's get started off fast. Tools you'll need are T25 Torx bit screw head or screwdriver with a T25 Torx bit topping on it. I'll show you in the video later what that looks like, but it's pretty much just a star head on there. And you can Google that, or down below I have a link to what a Torx bit is. You may need a flathead screwdriver or some sort of pliers to make things a little easier to take off. But beyond that, that is all you need. Exactly, very simple. Let's get it started. Here is the location of the air filter. It's right behind this plastic cover. And then as you'll see, there are a few screws holding it on. These are Torx bit screws, T25. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. You may have slightly more, slightly less, depending on who last changed your air filter, if they put a screw back or not. Usually I find it's easier to remove the mass airflow sensor. So that's just a clip you just pull off. And that way, and then I also undo this with a flathead screwdriver to take off this airflow piping. And that way it just makes it easier to remove the air intake cover. I have my screwdriver, Torx bit head. As you can see, again, it's a star. That's what you need, T25. And I'll just start removing the Torx bits around the air intake. You want to be careful not to drop your bits down in there. It's pretty congested down there, so it may be hard to find. So just be careful with that. First screw removed. I'll place it right back here just for safekeeping, and I'll continue on. Now with all the screws removed, as you see, they're removed. All removed. Some people, they choose not to remove the air intake flow tube, but I do, and let me tell you why. You can maneuver this around so that you can lift it and be able to remove the air filter, but it's a hassle. And this is very easy to take off. It's just a flathead screw that you loosen and you just wiggle this off. Makes it so that when I'm putting in the new air filter, there's less chance of damaging any of the components I'm putting back in. Flathead screwdriver. Loosen it enough to wiggle. Now it's broken loose. From here, I've already removed the sensor for the mass airflow. Everything is good that I can remove the air intake cover. It takes a little wiggling, and voila, removed. You can see this is the air filter that you will be replacing. I always do a quick inspection of how does it look. And this is the side after cleaning. So remember, the air travels up through the filters and through this tube. So check the other side to see how it looks. And this one, it's not too bad. It's a little dirty. You see some stuff there that could affect gas mileage and how your engine performs, but not too bad. But I'm replacing it just because it's routine maintenance that I take care of the vehicle. Also, you can check in there and do some look and see what's in there. I guess I sucked up a duck or something. Let's take that out of there. Might be good luck. Also, I forgot to note, always note the orientation of the filter while you're taking it out. Skinny side, as you see, there's a skinny side and a thick side. Skinny, thick. Skinny was on top, thick is on the bottom when you put it in. So you just put it in the same way it comes out. Here's a new filter. Always, again, just make a quick inspection. Make sure you got a quality product, that there's no damage to the filter. Note the orientation, skinny on top, thick on bottom. And I'll just go ahead and reinstall. Just slide it right in. And there you go. New air filter is installed. Here, just put everything back on. Put it back on the cap. Reinstall the clamp. plug back in your sensor, and you're good to go. Screws have been secured, cover back on, sensor back connected, tube is back installed. This install is over. Congratulations, you now have a clean air filter installed in your GMC. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the install went smooth for you. As always, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know any tips to make this easier. Helps me out, helps other viewers out. I like my channels to be communities. I do not have an ego. I'm here to pay it forward what somebody gave to me with information, so hopefully this channel can be that. Thanks again. Have a good one. I'm out.